What's an earthquake?
It goes on the ground. It shakes, shakes, shakes.
But what did we find out yesterday? Is there such thing as a skyquake?
Quake.
And sometimes it traps the dinosaurs?
Uh-huh.
Do you feel that little rumble?
No?
Rumble, rumble, rumble.
Earthquake!
Earthquake! All right, we're all safe up here flying, right?
Yes.
Uh-oh.
Skyquake!
Skyquake! Ah!
Dinosaurs.
Was that a Roasaurus?
Yes. Did she do that?
Yeah. Oh, she's causing an earthquake. Earthquake!
What? There's a feather on me. Ah. I got you.
Uh-oh, guys. Skyquake!
Oh, the dinosaurs!
All right. We got...
I don't have
Oh, no.
I put on my beak. Thanks for coming to my YouTube